Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your DM on TikTok. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. DM or direct messaging allows you to send and receive messages on TikTok. If your direct message is not working on TikTok, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once you're connected, tap open your app store from the app drawer, go to the search box at the top and check for available update for TikTok app. Type in TikTok in the search bar and perform your search. Tap on the update button that should appear right next to the TikTok app if available, and you'll be able to download the latest update for TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you update, the next thing you should look for is if you've allowed direct messages on your TikTok account. So in that case, you'll need to visit the privacy settings, go ahead and tap open TikTok app, and once you go ahead and log into your account, go and click on the profile button at the bottom right. From your profile page, tap the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Privacy option from the Accounts tab and tap on Direct Messages under Interactions. If you've set your direct messages to no one under who can send you direct messages, make sure to tap on the first option that says followers you follow back and people you send messages to. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to receive direct messages from the followers you followed back and your friends. Once you make this change, you can go back and see if that fixes your direct message on TikTok. Also remember that direct messaging on TikTok is only available to registered account holders that are aged 16 and older. That is how you can easily fix direct message problem on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.